So business analytics software comprises of the tools and the applications for tracking, storing, analyzing and modeling of the data in support of the decision making process. So all in all, what is the gist behind all these business analytics is that we want to have support to the decision maker in decision making processes. That means whatever the businesses are taking the relevant decisions, all these decisions must be taken at the appropriate time and at the appropriate level. Okay, so whatever it may be, a manager is trying to do something and he is trying to take certain decisions, so that decision should be taken at the correct point of time, and that decision should be relevant decision at that point of time. So all in these decision making processes, this business analytics is going to help you. Okay. So the software market includes both the application development tools and the package analytics applications, which are uh, concentrating on a particular aspect like the CRM or the other aspect of the business management. Okay, so these are the applications for tracking, storing, analyzing, and modeling of the data that supports the decision making processes. That means wherever that business person or the business needs to take the decision, at that appropriate point the appropriate data should be available. Okay, so this software market includes both application development tools and the package analytics application, and the tool segment of the market include data warehouse generation, data warehouse management, business intelligence, technical data analysis, and the spital information management tools. So it includes numerous possibility, that is how the data warehouse is getting generated, how the data warehouse is managed. Because when I use the term data warehouse, it means that the data collection is very huge in nature. And because the data is available in huge in nature, that is why you need the concept of this data analysis or the data warehouse. Okay, so it has the data warehouse generation management possibilities, and apart from that, the business intelligence, the technical data analysis, and the spital information management tools are also available for the business analytics. Okay, so the application segments of this market includes the CRM, that is customer relationship management operations, then financial and business performance management and analytics applications. All these are some of the segments from the business analytics. Okay, then what are the benefits of the business analytics? So obviously the benefits are going to be very large. So by implementing the transaction processing systems, okay, the systems ranging from, okay, so the systems are ranging from ERP, CRM, SCM, and e-commerce applications to have this automation of all the business processes. Okay, so ERP is your enterprise resource planning, CRM is your customer relationship, and then there is a electronic commerce which has all these processes which will be automized using the concept of business analytics. Okay, so business analytics software enables organization to monitor, capture, and analyze vast amounts of data generated by these applications and provide the management and the staff at all levels with the tools necessary to optimize these processes through the strategic or tactical decisions. Okay, so it means now there is a chance that all these vast amount of data, so that data will be in petabytes or it may be in zettabyte. Okay, so that huge amount of data is there, and with these huge amount of data you are going to analyze that data to get a piece of knowledge which will ultimately help you in understanding or in taking a particular business decision at the particular correct point of time. So that is the gist of why you need to do the business analytics. Okay, then what is the financial impact of the business analytics? So the financial impact is very huge. Result shows that overall return on the investment from the business analytics project was 112% of the organization deriving benefits within 1 year. So whatever amount they are spending on the business analytics, all these amount that is spent on these business analytics projects are making huge returns, which ranges from 49% to 112% within 1 year. That means even after the expiry of 1 year, you are getting these huge amount of returns due to the business analytics project. Okay, management. However, the return on investment, that is ROI, of the business analytics project impact also return from the other enterprise application project. Okay, so a CRM analytics application, for example, has a direct ROI implications for the analytics and the operational CRM components, and is the engine that drives return beyond the productivity gains achieved from the initial automation of the marketing, sales, and the customer service processes. So all in all these business processes are getting automated, and that automation is going to help all these businesses to take the correct decision at the correct point of time, and that is why there is a due financial impact of the business analytics on the businesses. That means every business will make higher and higher profits if they try to implement the business analytics scenario. Things in the coming decades. Okay, so the formal definition of the business intelligence. So the term business intelligence refers to the technologies, applications, and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of the business information. And the purpose of business intelligence is to support better business decision making. Essentially, business intelligence systems are data driven decision support system. Okay, so they are the decision support system, but there is a data which is driving this decision support system, and that is why the term is data driven decision support system. Okay, so business intelligence is sometimes used interchangeably with briefing books, reports, and query tools, and executive information systems, which are there to help the business managers to take the correct decision at the correct time. So this is one of the definition of the business intelligence. There is another definition to this, and this definition says that it is a technology driven process for analyzing the data and presenting the actionable information to help corporate executives, business managers, and other end users to make more informed business decision. That means with the help of these business intelligence tools and softwares, what we are trying to do, we are trying to make the correct decision at the correct point of time. That means whatever decision a business manager is taking, there should be chance that the taken decision is not uh, is not coming to be true. Okay, so there should be a chance that this whatever business decision has been taken by the business manager, that business decision should be proved to be correct at that point of time. Okay, so it encompasses a variety of tools, applications, and methodologies that enable organization to collect data from the internal system and the external sources, prepare it for analysis, develop and run queries against data, and create reports and dashboards with data visualization to make the analytical results available to corporate decision maker as well as the operational workers. So collectively what we are trying to tell, we are trying to do only one thing, that by doing this creation of the reports, dashboards, data visualization, we are just trying to help the corporate decision makers. Why? Because those corporate decision makers should be able to take the correct decision. That is the gist of this second definition of the business intelligence. Okay, now moving further, the potential benefits of the business intelligence program includes accelerating and improving the decision making. Obviously that is one of the reason why we are doing the business analytics. Then optimizing the internal business processes, whatever business processes are there, those business processes needs to be optimized. Now what do you mean by optimize? That means you should be able to take maximum result with minimum resources. Whatever number of resources that you are utilizing, all these resources should be available available in a optimized manner. That means minimum resources, maximum result. That should be the motto, and that is how you can optimize the internal business processes. You can increase the operational efficiency. You can increase the operational efficiency means now you have certain number of resources which are deployed for getting certain business process to be done, and by automizing these business processes you are trying to reduce the number of resource, and that is how you are going to increase the operational efficiency. Operational efficiency means again nothing but you need to have the maximum result with the minimum resources. That is the gist. Then deriving new revenues, that means now you have, with the help of this automation, you can have newer and newer avenues wherein you can take the revenues. Okay, so new and new sources of the revenues will be available once you have this business analytics. Then gaining competitive advantage over the business rivals. Obviously if your business is taking correct decision at the correct point of time, then you have a competitive advantage over the business rival. That means other businesses which are working on your domain will be facing tough challenge from your business. Why? Only thing is that you are taking the correct decision at the correct point of time. Okay, so these are the potential benefits. Then BI system can also help companies identify the market trends, spot the business problems and needs that to be addressed. Okay, so you can uh, identify the trends. So identifying a trend in today's world is very very important for any business, because if someone can predict or someone can foresee a particular trend, then that business can make itself ready to reap huge benefits from the forthcoming trend. Why? Because that business will be ready beforehand that trend is beginning. And before if a particular business is ready before a particular trend is set, then that will be giving a chance of reaping out huge